Welcome back to another episode of How Farms. Today, guys, we're going to be talking about the Pennington Dual season and giving you an 8-week update. All right, we are out here in our little Pennington Dual season food plot that we planted, and this stuff is growing really good. Now, I sucked at killing the grass in this food plot. We have learned from our mistakes, and we're gonna be doing better from here on out. I didn't mix the glyphosate like I should have. Well, and here's what happens when you don't do that. You get a bunch of grass and weeds that come up and everything else. Because this stuff didn't get a chance to outgrow the grass. The grass actually came up kind of the same time all this stuff did. So we learned from our mistakes. But if you guys haven't seen our other videos on this Pennington Dual season, I'll link them up below. There's a video of us planting it, and I believe there's one video update already. So this will be the second one. But as you can see, in and out of the grass, there's a good bit of beans that come up. This is sorghum right here. It's getting pretty tall. And there's some buckwheat mixed in here. Like right here. Here's some buckwheat. It's not huge, but it's coming up. But there's a lot of grass in here, and I wish we wouldn't have had this problem, but we do. So let's go over here to a spot that there's a good bit of beans that came up on the ends better than the middle. So like, here you go. Here's some beans. Now they're eating these off. The deer are actually loving this little section of food plot. I get a lot of pictures of them coming in and out. I had a truck camera over here. It was actually in this corner. I moved it. But I'll show y'all some videos. The deer are just eating the beans like crazy. They've nubbed them all off. It's actually kind of hard to find them still standing. On this side, they pretty much got them all. They nubbed them off far enough it died, but here's our trail camera. I like to give a little plug in here. This is a HME, so a Hunting Made Easy trail camera stand. Perfect if you have a field with no trees around, or you want to get that shot in the middle of the field. I'm telling you guys, this is a trail cam stand to use. I will link it down below if you guys would like to purchase it. I'll give you the Amazon link. But thumbs up to that product. Now, let's get back over here. I'm saying this stuff's pretty tall. I mean, it's over my waist high. There's some beans right there. Some more buckwheat come up. I mean, I'm happy with it. The deer seem to love it. Getting plenty of pictures of them in it. So, as long as it's feeding them, that's all that matters to me. But let's see. As you can see right here, there's a bunch of beans over here. There. I mean, they're just nubbing this stuff off. Next year, I think I'm going to do a little different. I'm going to do a better job of killing the grass and keeping it down. I'm going to plant some more of this stuff and see if we can get some better results. But man, they're loving these beans. Just tearing them up. But to me, it's a good product. I'd recommend it to some people. Somebody say, hey, you know a little spring summer mix that I could use in my little field? Like, yeah, Pennington Dual season did a good job for me. I highly recommend it to you. But I bought it at Walmart. I think that's the only place you can actually get it. So I'll link it down below too. Well, there you have it, guys. There's my 8-week update on my Pennington Dual season plot, and the deer seem to love it. So if you guys have any questions, comments, concern, link them down below. Also, if you're not a subscriber to the channel, if you'd like to see more of these videos, hit the subscribe button down below, ring the little bell, it'll notify you when we post new videos. Well, until next time, I'll see you on the farm.